Subscribe to Tiger Tech channel and also press the bell icon. Then you will never miss any update. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tiger Tech. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can get all of your basic softwares for your computer and how you can download it in just one click. In this video I'm going to tell you about a website. From here you can download all of your basic softwares in just one click. Guys, before starting this video, if you have not yet subscribed, so make sure subscribe our channel. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, for example, you have installed a new window in your computer. So you will also need a driver which is called wireless adapter. So wireless adapter is used to connect Wi-Fi connections with your computer. So if you don't have a wireless adapter driver in your computer, then you will be unable to connect Wi-Fi with your computer. So I'm recommending you to install driver pack, which has all of the drivers which is needed for the computer. So once you install wireless adapter driver, so you have to install a Google Chrome browser from Internet Explorer. So it is because Google Chrome is one of the best browsers. So once you install that, open Google Chrome and type 99.com. So this is a 9net website. Here you can download every single software in just one click. So in the header section of this website, you can see there is some of the basic instructions that how you guys can use that. And here is the image that show that there is a lot of softwares that you're downloading in one click. Okay, so you have to scroll down and you can see here is a lot of softwares which has some categories: web browser, security, and here is they have said that pick the apps you want. Okay, so first we have web browsers. Okay, so on the top we have Chrome, which is one of the best browsers, and second we have Opera, Firefox. So these three browsers are one of the top browsers. Okay, so second we have messaging. So messaging we have Skype and everything, and also we have media. Okay, so media have a lot of softwares, VLC player and etc. So also we have runtimes which have Java, .NET, Adobe Air, and also we have imaging. Okay, so this is other softwares. This is document softwares. Okay, so this is security, which has antiviruses, Avast, BLG, Avera, antivirus softwares, and here we have file sharing, which is BitTorrent, and here we have online storage softwares, which have Screwbox and everything. Okay, so here we have compressions, which is ZenZip, WinRAR, etc. So here we have other softwares like Google Earth and everything. Okay, so this is developer tools like Python, FileZilla, Notepad++. If you want anything, you can download it from here. There, and we have also utility softwares. So how you can download this software? So you have to select your software which you want to install. Okay, you have to select this one. So let me select Opera. Okay, and here I am going to select WinRAR, and here I have to select so let me select antivirus Avera. Okay, Avast. Okay, so once we select your all needed software, okay, so you have to scroll down and you have to click on get your nine night. Okay, so when you click on it, so you will come on this page, and here is the on the top. Here we have all of selected softwares, and here is the file is now downloaded, and there is some instruction and how you use that. Okay, so once the file is downloaded, so you have to open the file. Okay, so when you open that, just click on run. So the file have is open, and you can see downloading Opera Pro. Okay, so here at the first we have select Opera browser, and as you can see there is the Opera browser is now downloading. So let me cancel this because I don't need it. I have everything which I. So I have cancelled this, and now you can see here is the three software that I have selected in the website, and these three software is now downloading, but I have cancelled this because I don't need it. I have everything which I need. Okay, so this all of these have been cancelled. So let me close this. So guys, from this way you can download every single software from the easiest way. So here is a lot of software, you can download anything. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Tiger Tech channel, and also press the bell icon, then you will never miss any update.